this is a pressure gauge. Okay. And this is a hydraulic jack. Okay.
Hydraulic jack.
Yes. To perform the pile load test.
Okay. These are dial gauges, right?
Yes. This is a dial
So,
gauge. Dial gauge number
There's
1.
some little bit changes is over
Yes.
going on, right?
No.
There are no?
Don't consider this.
Okay.
Consider this.
Okay, top
Okay.
one.
Yes.
Top one I have to consider. So this 40, 50, that's not.
Yes.
That's 130. So top one is 10 above.
Yes.
10 to 5 in between.
Yes.
That we can consider in dial gauge.
Yes.
So in four sides, same dial gauges.
Yes.
Same reading.
Same,
So either-
same dial gauge. First, first we have to check. We have to check the zero on pressure gauge.
Okay. First
Okay.
of all, it will be 0.
Yes.
So after it increases.
Before applying the load.
Okay.
Okay. Then check the zero on all 4 dial gauges.
Okay.
The reading will be 0. Okay.
Okay.
That times. Okay.
Uh,
And now after that apply the load every 50 minutes. 50 100 150 200
these
every
are all,
50 minutes.
These are tons.
Yes.
At time. What is considered kgs, right? So 1 ton, 2 tons, 3 tons,
Yes.
4 tons.
Yes. Right.
So these are 0, 100,
Yes.
200, 300, 400, 500.
Yes.
So these are all comes under what? What is this one?
Don't consider this.
Okay.
Okay. And after applying load,
Okay.
every 50 minutes apply 50 ton load. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Okay. Every 15 minutes after applying this jock load, so either filling this oil. What we can fill in this?
yes oil
Oil only. Which kind of oil this name? Hydraulic oil. Okay. Some kind of oil we are filling in the gauge. So every 15 minutes.
yes
After 15 minutes, just after filling this, just we have to check the dial gauges. Any changes is there or not.
yes
So in between the 0 onwards, we can consider.
Yes.
So how much is going on? How much strength is acting on that?
yes
Okay. What? This is?
reference frame
Okay. This is a reference.
girder.
Okay. Reference girder. These are all.
Okay. And this is a base plate, like no this is a
That is base plate.
Okay.
Bottom base plate, top base plate.
Top base plate.
So that is jock. This is dial gauge.
This is a frame.
Yeah, this is the main frame.
Okay.
Wait.
पूरा छोड़ भी देगा.
Every 15 minutes we can apply the load in this. So either we are pushing this. Okay. Pushing this. It will become more.
Yes.
Then we have to release the load from the back side. This one onwards. What is that wall onwards?
Yes.
Okay.
और मैं बैक साइड से
Okay.
रिलीज करते हैं या नहीं मुझे ये कंफर्म नहीं है, लेकिन इसको मालूम है क्या. अभी सोचो जैसे कि सेफ लोड अपन जो अभी अगर 400 अगर सेफ लोड लेती है जैसे उतना अपन ने अप्लाई किया उस पर.
Okay.
ठीक है. अप्लाई करने के बाद में फिर अपन क्या करना होगा कि इसको कम कर देना पड़ेगा.
Okay. पूरा.
नहीं, धीरे धीरे डायरेक्टली नहीं कम करना पड़ेगा.
Okay. We have to decrease the load.
Yes.
That gauge. While decreasing, that oil will comes back.
Yes.
Right?
I think
Maybe. Okay. Then the final process is, so how much that pile will be taking this load.
Yes.
How many tons of load it will be. So that plate, how much tons. So that much of tons it will be bearing or not.
Yes.
It will be that much load is taking or not.
Yes.
So this is vertical pile load.
Yes.
Vertical pile load. So vertically we are keeping some load on it and we are checking the pile. So how much load is taking.
How much load is
It's taking that to compaction test. So we are checking so as well as in this also I have the steel.
Yes.
Steel reinforcement is there as well as concrete also is there. We are
Yes.
checking that concrete. So
is our
it is buckling or
working
not.
pile. This
Okay.
is our working pile.
So for example, if it was buckled like it was collapsed, so
Yes.
maybe this concrete grade is not perfect.
Yes, concrete grade and also the design of this
Design
piles.
mix is
Yes, design
improper.
Yes.
And as well as steel also have maybe failure.
Yes.
So especially we are using 25 mm, right? 25 or 30 mm.
25 mm.
This 25 mm
And M35
only we are using. So
and M35
The grade of concrete M35 we are using. So if it is maybe if it's failure means what happens? Instead as we have to better quantity we have to take
Yes, yes.
either steel reinforcement or else concrete.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so betterly either mixed grade or either steel reinforcement we have to change. So then we have to reconstruct it.
Yes.
Why? Because so the test is failure means that we have to do. So if the test is fine, then we have to continue this work. So we have to start the erection.
Yes.
As like start the erection, and as well as we have to make this kind of tanks also. How much of quantity we required? So these are all. How many quantities this one? Around quantity. For example, that is 20,000 liter.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that is 20,000 liter, 20,000 kiloliter, and these are also same as like that, or more than or less than that. This is completely 24 dia, so maybe that is more than that. I think so. 48 dia. I think. So in that is this is off.
Double.
Okay, it is that is double, and it is in that off of that. So these are completely for ATF tank, right?
Yes,
These are
yes,
all. So that are diesel.
Yes.
So these tanks are HSD.
Yes.
These are for the aviation turbine fuel purposes. So for aviation, like for cargo of that, completely for the planes.
Yes.
Okay, for jets as well as all kind of planes they are using this kind of tanks.